And
cheaper by the thousand.
Knives, bayonets, badges, nice pictures. More ephemera, a couple of guns, articles, Nazi flag. Very rare book here on Army and Navy of the United States. A couple nice helmets. Here's somebody with display cases just absolutely full of more display cases full of rare military stuff, badges,
I think we got to resolve that.
Nazi stuff, Nazi belt buckles, daggers, bayonets, swords. These are German swords from World War I and World War II. They're very collectible. There's a samurai sword, Japanese pack with all the markings on it, a nice Springfield rifle. Here's another display case with rare photographs in it, books, more books, hats. There's an Africa Corps helmet. Those are hard to find. Don't find many of those. Another case with all kinds of badges and patches and things in it. Get a little bit more of these cases here if we can get away from the reflection. There we go. What's that stuff? Books. Metal. We got a lot more handguns, antique handguns. Many antique handguns. There's some cap guns in here. There's a kind of a vicious looking German hunting sword. If you look at the back of it, that would make kind of a vicious wound. That could be made from a bayonet. I don't know. I'd have to ask the dealer, but that thing looks kind of vicious to me. More bayonet, swords, blades, gun barrels. There's some nice antique handguns. Bayonets. All kinds of rifles. See anything you need there? Rifles, shotguns, blunderbuss, ammo, more badges. There's a lot of badges here. Okay, a lot of aviators' wings, marksmanship badges, NRA marksmanship badges, Navy petty officer badges, khaki, Marine Corps, ribbons. Now, these are infantry badges, combat infantry badges and marksmanship badges, general stars, various kinds of Royal Air Force wings, medals. Now, I want to tell you about this flag up here. The vendor told me. Would you tell me what this is again? What unit? See that? Okay, now.
I fought in combat with him.
You fought in combat with who?
With the 45th Infantry.
45th Infantry. Very good. This gentleman was there. Was that World War II?
World War II in Korea. I was in Korea.
He was in Korea. All right. He was telling me their original flag had a swastika as part of it, and around the beginning of World War II, September 1940,
they changed it to the Thunderbirds.
All right, changed to the Thunderbirds September 1940 because obviously having a swastika was not very patriotic at that time. Here's some nice guns. And here's a lot of nice German stuff. He's got stuff on the table, under the table, over the table, everywhere, okay? He's got aviation stuff, World War II, German stuff. Here's some nice German and some other pretty rare hats. He's got some toys, he's got display cases with a police thing in it. Various kinds of daggers and swords. You got a nice samurai sword in there. A carbine scabbard. Is that a carbine scabbard? Okay. Nice stuff. Look at this.
John, what are you doing for the club one?
Here's some guns and ammo. Okay, more guns and ammo. Here's a display case with some nice 45s in it. 1911s, 1911 A1s. Alright, knives. Here's some more knives. Here's some nice rifles, military rifles, some great holsters, great old Western holsters. Reloading tools, smaller reloading tools, Bowie knives, nice pair of cased brass pistols, and a wonderful collection of Colts here with letters. Okay, the paperwork is a lot better when you have, he's got that on a lot of these. Now we'll go over and see some of the collectible ammo he's got. All kinds of collectible ammo. Look at this. Shotgun ammo. Here's a nice nickel-plated revolver. A scabbard for your lever-action rifle. Grips. All kinds of grips for your handgun. Powder flasks, stocks, pistols near the front end of the hall. These pistols are some of the best ones in the show, I think. Just real good quality stuff. Got badges here, some Pennsylvania rifles, some great powder horns. A couple of show announcements here for other shows. We'll throw those in. Some very nice swords. Early swords. These are all like before the Civil War, and some are Civil War, but I don't see anything that really dates after that. Here's some more fine rifles, octagon barrels, some of them. Here's some percussion locks and flint locks, also nice early pieces, all genuine. There's an advertisement for a military supplier, an arms supplier in New York, Paris, Birmingham, etc. Cap boxes, percussion lock rifles, more percussion lock rifles. These look like converted, some of them converted, possibly converted flintlocks.